Hi, I'm Doug.
And I'm Kathy.
Join us as we follow the moon. Today, we're going to take you back to one of our favorite Florida parks, Thousand Trails Orlando.
Haven't we been here before?
Absolutely.
Guess that's why it's back.
We're going to share with you one of the links up here to our most recent Thousand Trails Orlando video. But even in the few months since then, we were showing you new things that were about to open. There's been a lot of changes to the park. Now, we did speed this up. The park has a 10-mile-an-hour rule throughout the park, so we weren't really driving this fast. But the first big change is the right-hand lane at the entrance is now open. So when you have an instance like this where somebody is doing their check-in in the left-hand lane, you can go right past it, go right up to the keypad, enter your code, and the gate goes up and you go right on around, so you're not sitting there tying up traffic. But that's just the first of many great changes. So today we wanted to share with you a lot of the changes and upgrades that have taken place at Thousand Trails Orlando. If you go back to their original video, which we'll put a link to up here, that video shows you a lot of things that were in construction and just about ready to happen. Now everything's open, being used, and the park has changed as far as the feel too. There's more people gathering safely, there's more activities, so we want to show you what all's been going on at Thousand Trails.
One of the first things is the children's area. They've really done a nice job at making it more family friendly, and that they've got a new playground.
Absolutely, and then they have an adult playground also, where they're doing exercise classes, and they have a shade canopy there for it too. So it'll be a lot nicer as we go into the warmer summer months.
I've seen them doing line dancing and exercising.
Now, you also see in there are the pergola and the pavers around the pool. The pool area's had a lot of upgrades done to it. It's really pretty. We did shoot this early in the morning before the pool was being used, but the pool is busy every day.
It sure is. And we see a lot of people even back at the campsites that they're traipsing down there. Some of them are pulling wagons and they're going down with their families, some of them on bicycles and stuff. So they're really taking advantage of that pool.
Now the shuffleboard courts are right beside the pool area, and directly behind the shuffleboard is the mini golf area. Now mini golf had went through, they had painted, they had put new turf down on the mini golf, and they had done some nice upgrades to that. But now they have
lights.
It's
and it is so
beautiful
pretty
at night.
Yeah, it really is.
That's been one of the biggest things to change that area in the evening, is having that all lit up. It's so pretty. Pickleball is big at Thousand Trails, and those pickleball courts are busy. Now the pickleball courts are located right beside the staging area. Everybody with a tow vehicle or waiting to get taken to your site knows that, and you can see by the video that the park is still busy. Now we're going to go on up around the corner. There's 3 compactors now. About a year ago they went to the compactors and it's really helped.
Somewhat.
Yeah, it's much better than what we had before.
That's right.
And when you go into the rec center is now open. You'll see the community room. It does get used. They actually were having coffee and donuts there on Saturday mornings.
Yep.
And again, socially distanced. The camp store is open, but the mailroom has been moved, and the mailroom has its own separate area now. On down the hallway is the Wi-Fi area, and those little pods are busy.
Yes, they are.
And at the end of the hallway, the billiards and game room is now open again. And it's being used also.
I saw those puzzles.
Yeah, they put new shelves up with games and puzzles on them. Lots of area, and it's fun for all ages, everyone in the family. Now, something else new that's come is food trucks. They are bringing in food trucks every Thursday evening from 4:30 to 7. I shot this one just a little bit late, so the coffee and dessert one was open. The other ones had just closed up. But we've had barbecue, we've had Mexican, we've had Chi-Fi, which was Chicago and Philadelphia. There's been Italian, there was a Korean truck.
It's nice too.
Bit of
you
everything.
Can see people going down there. You run into people that you've met, and some of us have even gone down with other couples and picked ours up. And you can either eat it down there, or they do have a couple of picnic tables, I think, or you can bring it back to your rig. It's nice to have somebody else cook for you.
Now, the beautiful landscaping is out in front of the rec center, and if you look just to the left side of the rec center is a brand new half-court basketball court. That kind of looks out over the new side.
I've also seen people out there doing exercises, lifting weights, doing all kinds, because they have a weight room. I don't think it's open yet, but I've seen people working out there in the early mornings before it gets warm.
Now, the new side is open. The new side is predominantly full all the time, 160 plus sites. But the one thing that hasn't been completed yet is the bathhouse. If your camping makes that important, just be aware the bathhouse is still under construction, has not opened yet on the new side. We're going to end with the pasture area, and the pasture area had a lot of construction going on, and the construction's kind of come to a halt, at least for right now. They put a big privacy fence up along it, but we also did an aerial shot to show you the park, and the park is still pretty busy for this time of year.
Yes, it is.
So all in all, lots of things have changed. Lots of things have kind of gotten back to normal, which is really nice to see. And more amenities. It's really been some very positive changes around Thousand Trails. We hope you've enjoyed our video today. If you have, please give us a thumbs up, show that you liked it, and if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, be sure to do so. We really do appreciate that.
And thank you for following us as we follow the moon.
Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you've enjoyed it. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and be sure to ring the notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos listed. Also, be sure to check out our blog at followthemoon.us and also our Facebook page at Follow the Moon and on Instagram at Follow the Moon Travel. Thanks.